How's it going, my friends? I know a lot of people want to know how to earn money from YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make YouTube videos and how I get my ideas for YouTube videos, and then I'm going to show you what I use to make money on YouTube. So I'm going to get right in the software that I use. One of the softwares I use is called Keywords Anywhere. It's a extension. You can add credits to it, but I like it because you can see, the analytics for what keywords you're looking for in real time. So if I'm typing in just how to earn money, I know I have 1,000 subscribers. I don't get a lot of views, so I know I need my competition pretty low when I'm picking a keyword. So you're going to see your monthly searches. You're going to see how much it costs to run an ad usually, and you're going to see your competition. This and this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a keyword that's getting a nice amount of searches, but it has a low competition. And for my channel, I'm looking for a competition, under 20, 30, maybe. So for example, how to earn money from YouTube gets 31,000 searches a month, but it only has an 18%, competitiveness. So that's perfect for me. The lower the better if it gets, high searches. So this is going to be my main keyword. So this is going to be my title. This is going to be the main keyword that I'm saying in the video. And whatever else goes along with what I'm making a video about, I want this to be my tag. So this is going to be my, my number one tag. And then I'm going to go down here and, stick low competition first. And when I run out of low competition keywords, then I'll use some of the bigger ones just in case, this video does good and it ranks. So this is how you're going to make an optimized video. This is the meat and potatoes, and you want to use these keywords throughout your description. And that's the meat and potatoes. You want to use these keywords when you're making a video. So you want to mention, how to make money from Instagram, how to make money on YouTube, and pretty much with what I'm going to show you at the end of this video, you can make money on any of these platforms. So from there, we're going to make the video. This is the second main thing, which is going to be, what are you making a video about? So you want to give a hook, which I made my hook is how to earn some money from YouTube. You want to give some value, which is the training I'm doing right now, and you want to give a call to action. So as we, scroll over to another resource that I use to make money on YouTube. So this is the actual thing that I use. I use digital products, digital services to make my money on YouTube, and this is going to be how you can quickly make money on YouTube without being monetized. Monetization, it requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The 4,000 watch hours is really the harder part of it. So if you want to make money before that, you want to get a digital product, because a digital product, you're going to be able to get that up and running within 2 hours. You can spend some cash and get you some digital products, digital services. This specific one, you can get started with this program for as little as $20, and then you're going to get your affiliate link. But what's so amazing about this product, you're going to actually get a free course that comes with it that's going to show you more of what I'm saying. It's going to show you how to promote, how to make TikToks, how to make short form video. You're going to get access to webinars, just a lot of training to show exactly what I'm doing on a in a more efficient way. So once you have this in place, then you're going to learn exactly what I'm doing in real time, because all your job is, in digital marketing, is to share your link. Make sure you have a good product or service that people need, and make value around it and share your link. So I gave you guys a little bit of training in the beginning of this video. It's actually major training, a lot of training for a lot of people. I said a little bit, but it meant a lot, because a lot of people don't know how to get their videos in ranking. They don't know how to, like I said, they don't know how to get people to their video. They don't know how to get it ranking. They don't know how to create it, do the description, etc., do the tag. So I really just gave you a lot in a little. That information alone, people sell. So you're going to use this digital product service. So this service, Savings Highway Global specifically, they offer a lot of savings, discounts, even certain memberships that are gonna allow you to save money on your bills. Like literally, they have people that negotiate your bills and do their best to get the bills that you're paying for, cable, internet, lowered. That's, they have different memberships, titanium, platinum, and gold. Titanium is going to have, even more benefits like the one I just mentioned. Platinum is, they're going to be a little bit less, and gold is going to be where you can start for as little as $20. So you're going to get savings on shopping, eating, credit repair, and travel. So, main things that people need. You want to save as much money as you make. So that's the gist on how I earn money from YouTube. This is digital marketing. We're not selling a course. This is an actual service and product you can use real time, and use it for however long you want it. If you cancel it, that's on you. But we have, 70 to 80% people who keep this membership because it goes with their everyday lifestyle. So if you want more information on this, see the description if this is on YouTube or if this is on somewhere else. I'll probably have a number you can text. You just text phone to this specific number. I'll probably put that in the description as well. And I hope you see the value in how to earn money on all these social media platforms, guys. This is not something that's rocket science. You can start learning this, 2 hours a day, and you can start earning with, an hour a day's work. But if you want more information, like I said, see the description. Have a good one.